Introduction of accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is the language of businesses. In simple words, accounting refers to recording. Whenever any organization is operating, one would like to know its performance. In order to be able to do so, it is necessary that as far as possible, all the transactions that have taken place should be recorded systematically in monetary terms. The process of accounting involves recording, classifying, and summarizing of past events and transactions of financial nature, with a view to enabling the users of accounting data to interpret the resulting summary. Accounting is one of the most widely used information processing systems in businesses. The utility of accounting information increases when it is compiled in a systematic manner, and financial statements are prepared at periodic intervals. For the purpose of compilation, all monetary events are recognized as transactions and classified into various account heads. An account is a statement which shows all transaction related to a particular asset, liability, income, or expense. Example, cash account. Account heads are then summarized under related groups so that interpretation becomes possible. For example, when a travel agent purchases stationery for office use, it is recorded in stationery account, grouped as office expenses. All such expenses are compared with business income to arrive at profit. There is a small difference between the terms accounting and bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is part of accounting that is concerned with recording. A bookkeeper normally needs lower academic qualification. Accounting in its broad sense extends to financial reporting, taxation compliance, cost analysis, interpretation, and estimation. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money transactions and events, which are, in part at least, of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA. Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating economic transactions. Financial accounting consists of creation financial information and the subsequent use of such information. Accounting entails various steps, namely recording, classifying, and summarizing, which are dealt as follow. What to record? All financial transactions affecting the business have to be recorded in accordance with the principles of accountancy. As money is the common unit of measurement, all events that are expressed in monetary terms will be recorded. When to record? Accounting is historical in nature, because of which the recording is to be effected only after the occurrence of a transaction. Therefore, sale of goods cannot be recorded when the goods are merely intended to be sold, but only after such sale is complete and the property in the goods has been transferred to the buyer. How to record? Whenever a transaction occurs, it is decided in which account heads it is to be recorded. Accounting concepts and policies guide recording procedure. This will be covered in depth in the chapter of accounting mechanics. Value at which it is to be recorded. All the ingredients of the financial statements are to be assigned appropriate values. Money is the scale of measurement in accounting, and we can measure only those which can be translated into monetary terms. Different valuation bases are used in accounting, of which the frequently used are historical cost, current cost, realizable value, and present value. Value is determined at the time of recording and also at the time of preparation of financial statements. Preparing financial statements. Income statement is prepared so as to calculate profit or loss during a particular year by summarizing all incomes and expenses. Balance sheet is prepared to record assets and liabilities, stating financial position of the concern as at the end of a particular period. Cash flow statement shows inflows and outflows of cash. Financial statements are prepared at the end of certain period, usually yearly or quarterly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.